Hello, I'm called Taremwa Israel, a graduate of Agribusiness Management and Community Development, based of Stuart University. I happen to be passionate about agriculture, especially rearing cows, dairy cows. Being raised in a family of four, I being the firstborn, and my father has dairy cows, 15 milking dairy cows, and six cows. So throughout my career, I've been helping them with cleaning the milking parlor, how to milk, how to use bucket feeding for the cows, feeding the cows, how to make hay and silage. It has been a privilege on my side. When I joined campus in 2019, I happened to work with the university farm where I learned a lot of experience and skills and knowledge working with vet services, diagnosing animals, sick animals, spraying, controlling ticks that can cause East Coast fever. It is a challenge in Africa here, especially in Western Uganda, where it affects cows. So you must be keen about it. I also learned how to clean for the cows, lay beddings for the cows at the university. Then in 2021, I also got an opportunity to do my internship in Isreal Taremwa. Then I was placed on a farm, of vegetable farm, where I did a lot of practices, hands-on experience, where I used weeding control methods, irrigation methods, how to harvest crops like vegetables and cabbages and chili tomatoes, how to package them. It was a lot of experience also. Then in 2024, I also got an opportunity to do my training as a trainee in Stockholm, Sweden, under a prominent farmer, my host called Andre. I worked on Andre Samuelson's dairy farm. We had 85 milking, 45 milking cows with around 50 heifers. It was an experience working with people from developed countries, working with machines, driving tractors, learning how to feed cows, cleaning the milking parlor, washing the buckets, cleaning everything to make that the place is good and suitable for the cows. I also learned how to make silage in silos. I also learned about making hay. I also learned how to manage cows from day one up to the weaning period. The processes that are in making sure that young cows have good beddings, making sure that young calves have enough milk and at a room temperature, not giving them so-called milk, not giving them hot milk, at a minimum temperature for them. I also learned more in calves where to handle them, measuring the weight gain every day. I also had an opportunity to be feeding the animals, also knowing how much pills they take in, also knowing how to feed them at the right time. I also learned more with record keeping, because as farmers, record keeping is also key, because you know the number of cows that you have. You also know the number of cows that are giving birth, that are soon giving birth, that are also number of cows that you're having on a farm. It is also key. It helps you in planning and budgeting for the farm in terms of food and other expenses that are incurred on a farm. I also learned to work in a team, because a farm comprises of many people, different workers. How are you going to associate with your co-workers to make sure that you work as a team? It's also good. I also learned communication as a skill, whereby it is good for us to work in a team, because you can't, as you're working in a team, it's good to know how to communicate. I also learned that in Sweden. That's all about my work experience in my CV. Thank you very much.